What would the author most likely agree with? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. The latest theories of grief are based on the work of Freud. The first paragraph mentions that Freud is considered an early expert on the subject of grief, and the passage also talks about certain recent theory. However, the passage makes no suggestion that the latest theories are based on Freud's work. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B. The critiques of stage models have possibly interpreted the models inaccurately. In the context of the concerns raised by certain critiques, the passage discusses two concerns regarding whether individuals must progress through the stages, and on that concern, the passage says that the authors of the various stage models did not make this assumption. Additionally, regarding the concerns cited with respect to a normal psychological state, the passage says that further examination is necessary. So overall, it can be inferred that the passage defends these theories against the observations raised by the critics, and the author hints at the possibility that the critics may have possibly interpreted the models inaccurately. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. The coming to normalcy idea is incorrectly interpreted by the critics. The second paragraph has a reference to this criticism that these models assume that there is a normal psychological state. In this context, the passage says that further examination of theories is necessary before the merits of this criticism can be objectively judged. So it can be inferred that the author wants further research on these theories, and it cannot be established that the author believes that the critics have incorrectly interpreted these theories. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. The stages of grief are linear and time-bound. The second paragraph raises the concern that the stages of grief are linear, and the passage responds to this concern by stating that the authors of the various stage models did not make this assumption. Also, the passage states that the timing and sequence of stages is varied. So it can be inferred that the author believes that the stages of grief are not linear and not time-bound. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. Socialization can help in refocusing energy invested in the relationship with the deceased. The first paragraph refers to later theorists who talk about the role of specialization and the relationship with the deceased in the experience of grief. However, the passage makes no suggestion regarding what the author believes regarding the role of, so it cannot be established that the author would agree with this answer choice. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.